In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a free membership tier on Patreon. If you've ever set up a free tier on your Patreon account and later decided it's no longer serving your needs, don't worry. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can easily disable or delete it. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to patreon.com and log in to your account. Use your usual credentials to sign in. If you're not already registered, you'll need to set up an account before proceeding. Now that you're logged in, look for the main menu or dashboard. What you're looking for here is your profile icon or your creator dashboard. Click on this to access the creator menu. Once you're at the dashboard, you'll see an option labeled Membership Tiers. Click on it to open up your membership tier settings. This section displays all the tiers you've created for your patrons, including any free tiers that might exist. By organizing your tiers in this way, Patreon makes it convenient for creators to manage all their membership options in one location. Now, let's find the tier you want to remove. Look for the one labeled Free, or whatever custom name you might have assigned it. If you have several tiers, quickly locate your intended tier by scanning through the names listed. Click on it to select and open its settings page. Next, you have a couple of options to consider for handling this free tier. You can either disable it temporarily or delete it entirely. Disabling the tier might be a good option if you're thinking of bringing it back in the future, as this action won't permanently remove it. On the other hand, if you're sure about getting rid of it, go ahead and delete the tier. To do this, find the Edit or Settings option for your tier. Within this menu, you'll see the options to either disable or delete. Take a moment to consider what's best for your community. Once you've made your choice, go ahead and take the action that fits your needs. Finally, don't forget to save the changes. At this point, it's absolutely crucial to ensure all your adjustments are properly saved. Look for a Save button, typically located at the top or bottom of the settings page, and click it. This action will confirm all the changes you've just made and ensure your revised membership tier setup is updated. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated through your Patreon settings and removed or disabled a free membership tier on your account. Thanks for watching and happy creating. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.